We're going to be looking at two devices that you could use to connect your audio interface to your phone. The first one is the Sabrent audio adapter, which is only $8 or $9. It's very cheap and a very inexpensive solution to get mono audio into your phone. What you're going to need is a stereo breakout cable. This one is specifically a HOSA stereo breakout cable. Now I'm just going to plug both ends into the monitor or line output of my audio interface. Now what you're going to need to do is adjust the monitor output volume on your interface and go into your console application or any other interface application that you pull up on your computer to put effects on your audio and things like that. So all we need to do now is connect the mini jack into the Sabrent audio adapter. What I need next is another adapter from USB to Lightning to go into my iPhone. I have a 3-in-1 adapter that allows me to power my device, add Ethernet, and the Sabrent for the audio. So that goes in just like that, and it goes right into the iPhone. So this connection is complete. We are ready to use it. For only $1 more, Sabrent offers a USB-C model of their adapter. So it's really easy to connect if you have the newer iPhones that have the USB-C input. So I'm just talking and playing at the same time, and no distortion whatsoever. So that's how that sounds. So this is a very simple way to get great audio levels while going live, is using your audio interface, something that you already have. For the second device, I'm using the Behringer stereo 1/4 inch to USB adapter. Now this is a simple adapter because you could plug it directly into the output of your audio interface, which makes it very easy to hook up to your smartphone. So it's stereo out of the Apollo, and it's going straight USB input to the adapter I have hooked up to my smartphone. And that's it. So let's take a listen to see how it sounds. So as you noticed in this recording with the piano, there's like some crackling interference, like high frequency noise going on. I tested that, and that is from the adapter. So it depends when you're using the Behringer stereo cable adapter, that when you hook it to certain dongles from your phone, there's going to be more interference than others. So you might want to try using a different adapter if it's giving you too much noise. So I'm still testing this and seeing what the most optimum way to run this into your smartphone is. Another option is running higher levels into your live stream for audio. So you could put a limiter on the audio, and so the volume will be a lot relatively higher than the noise. So let me know what you think. See what adapter works best for your situation, and happy live streaming.